Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have a bit of a mystery unboxing here. It doesn't have a return address. I'm not quite sure who this is from. Might be something I purchased, or it might be a watch sent in for loan for us to look at. So let's get this open and we can discover together what is in here. Hopefully I'm not cutting the contents of the package. Okay, so this is a watch sent in on loan from GM Lang. They have some very good specs on this watch, and it is not terribly expensive. If I remember correctly, it's like $300. I'm gonna have to look it up on their website again and look at that information, but it has a Miyota 9039 movement, I believe, which I think is it is a no date movement. Sapphire crystal. Like I said, I'm gonna have to look up those specs again and put them in the video description. So yeah, let's take a good look at this thing. GM Lang. I reached out to the owner and asked if he'd send this in, and he was happy to do so. So I really appreciate that. We get to check this thing out together. Looks like a deer or a stag on the back here. Solid end link, solid link bracelet. Screw down crown. So I'm going to call this a field watch. Actually, I've been wearing my Hamilton khaki field watch, so we can look at those close together real quick, side by side. Definitely has a field watch vibe, but this one I'm sure is going to be more water resistant. This Hamilton is only rated to 50 meters, so not quite what I would call a field watch, even though they call it a field watch. All right, so first position is hand winding. You can see the second hand taking off there. The hands remind me of, I've seen some on an Omega, like a broad arrow hand. This is a signed crown as well. See, this should be the time set position. Yep. So this is an actual no date movement, which is a nice touch. You don't have to deal with the ghost date. So your hand winding, and then the screwed down position. Looks like a nice olive green dial. I've not had a watch in with this color dial before. So right there it says on the dial, 200 meter water resistant, GM Lang Trailseeker. So I'll take measurements and do a little more research on this, and we'll have more information for the full review. This side profile here kind of reminds me of a Tudor Black Bay. Has some fairly thick lugs, nice crown guards here. So kind of a combination of a dive watch with a field watch dial, no rotating bezel. So let's get this on wrist. I have to remove a few, well, more than a few links, probably 5 links to fit this on my 6.5 inch wrist. So let me know what you think of this watch. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Like the video, leave a comment. Let me know what you think of this watch. I enjoy interacting with you guys in the comment section. Just normal watch talk. Well, you can say whatever you want in the comments, but here we are zoomed out. So I'll show it to you side by side with my Seiko SKX here as well. So, very cool. Nice everyday watch. I'm sure it'll take a beating. Here we are side by side with my Seiko SKX. And stay tuned for the full review. I'll be releasing it here in the next few days. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. Well, if you're still here, let's look at the case back. Yeah, okay, it was always right. The Miyota 9039. 200 meter water resistant Trailseeker. Maybe you guys can read this better than I can from this angle. Made by GM Lang. Let me see if I can read this better off camera. Stainless steel, Miyota, I already said that. And a sapphire crystal. So, all right, I'll catch you guys on the next video.